Good morning from Istanbul. Our first morning after sleeping for 14 hours, 8-hour time difference. Here's Leon, don't mind the mess everywhere. Good morning. First morning in Istanbul.
Good morning.
Good morning. So this is funny, I just want to show you guys this. So this is, oh, there's no one there, so I'm not going to show you now. So beautiful here, guys. This is Velvet Café. Hey. Hello. Hi.
He's usually in his
Oh, he's
club
sleeping
box,
there.
but
Yeah.
he's sleeping there today.
He's like totally passed out. Your shadow's in my way, babe. Aw. Look at him. Hi, honey. Aw. Good morning. Morning.
It's usually
In the plant there. That's usually his bed. You can do it too. Look at their menus, guys. Beautiful menu, amazing prices. Okay. 5 is the pomegranate.
Yes, one size.
Perfect. Is this your shop here?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
You'll be the already.
Oh, well, thank you.
Thank you.
Is it okay that I sit here to drink it? Is that okay?
Why not?
Thank you. It's my first one.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. There you go. And we even have a camel. Happy? Here she goes. Whoa, here she goes.
I love sour candy. I just do. I have a thing.
In case you didn't know, she loves sour candy.
Like, love.
Yes, for me, it's all about the white chocolate. We also have the bread.
How much in the bread? 4 lira.
4 lira for the bread, yeah. Yeah, magnets for our collection. That would have been a cool magnet for our fridge. Balat.
Nice. We used to collect magnets prior to, you know, moving everywhere. Is it a rocking chair?
Yeah.
Cute.
And you got this. Look.
I love these kinds of boxes.
Oh.
Oh, nesting boxes.
Something inside. And the corner as well. Okay, I got it. Look, gramophone.
Oh, look, I like this.
Yes. That's really cool. How many places have we been, babe?
22 and counting.
Australia. Where's Canada? Canada.
Coming. I'm back. Bye, Canada. Good morning.
Good morning.
Second morning here. We are at the Dora Café. It's a cute little dog on there. Maybe that's Dora the dog. And we have ordered the breakfast plate here. This one. And this one. We're trying this. With an Americano and a cappuccino. Foamy cappuccino.
Indeed, my sugar cube.
It's so fun, the little sugar cube packet.
Yeah, definitely not something we're used to getting sugar cubes, so they're great. Clean our hands.
Ready for some breakfast?
Yeah.
What are you doing over there? Look at Leon found a friend.
I've got a friend. You're only gonna get one little piece, okay? There you go. There you go. Is that good? Is that nice? Is that nice? Is that good?
No.
That's all that's a gem. That's all that's a gem. That's all that's a gem.
Hi.
Go on then.
It's like, no, I'm staying with him. He gave me the good stuff.
Go on then. Go say hello to Jen.
You know Leon likes you if he shares his meat.
Yeah, which is not like me. Hey. You friendly. Hello.
Hi, baby.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. You're the cutest baby. You're the biggest, cutest baby. You're the biggest, cutest baby. Hi, Dora. It's okay.
Hey, it's okay, Dora. Hey, Dora over there's Mummy. It's Mummy. It's okay, Mummy. It's okay. It's okay.
This is the rooftop lounge area. Got a TV. Really cool furniture and knickknacks. Backgammon. There's me. Hello. And here is the outdoor patio. Zoom out for this here. Look at this, guys. Look how pretty this is. It's the view out to the water. It's the Golden Horn over there. Down here, there are constantly people taking pictures and videos of the house all the time.